And welcome to Dirtbike Magazine's video series, The Off-Road Two Strokes. Today, we're going to take a look at the 2018 Gas Gas EC300. Since being bought by Tarot Electric in early 2016, Gas Gas has experienced a lot of changes. And so far, everything we've seen from the outside looking in, it seems to be very beneficial for the brand's growth around the world. The 2018 EC model marks the first time in the brand's history that its enduro model has been built around a central backbone frame rather than a perimeter style frame. And that's just the beginning of changes on this motorcycle. We don't want to say it's brand new from the ground up because there is some stuff that does carry over from last year, but not very many things. One of the obvious things that jumps out at you right away is all new styling for 2018. Gas Gas was going after a more aggressive, racy type feel, designed with less rigidity than the 2017 model, having different flex characteristics than the 2017 frame, and be lighter weight. The red powder coat finish gives that factory feel. Up front, this model features a 48mm Kayaba front fork, and in the rear, it's KYB components as well. The swing arm is completely brand new for 2018, and the linkage system was designed to match. Other new items on the chassis include the chain slider and roller system, new foot pegs, and an all-new, no tools required, easy access to the airbox via a side panel that pops off, very similar to what we've seen on Huskies and KTMs the last few years. The engine received a lot of refinements as well, targeted specifically on improving the performance across the power curve, and features Moto Tassinari V-Force 4 reed cage with an FMF 2.1 power core silencer, and features an electric start with a Kickstarter backup. The 2018 Gas Gas EC comes with Nissan braking components front and rear, a Magura hydraulic actuated clutch, an onboard digital computer, Excel black rims front and rear with polished aluminum hubs, Metzler tires, a rubber gripper seat, an O-ring chain, a large capacity gas tank, and up front, the headlight. So we're actually done with our first couple days of testing on this machine, and we're impressed. It seems like Gas Gas has a targeted goal that they're going after, and with this model, they've basically hit it. The EC300 loves tight technical trails. It excels at it, and this has got to be what Gas Gas had in mind when they were building this model. It's got really good torque right off bottom, and it pulls smoothly through the mid-range. The new KYB components work well together. It's definitely on the soft side, but when you're on the trail, you don't mind. We appreciate a skid plate and handguards being standard on the off-road model because it's definitely used. The EC model definitely has a sweep to the barb end that not a lot of people were excited about. And the bike can be a little finicky jetting wise, but once you get that dialed in, you're ready to go. The Metzler tires were a little bit difficult to get used to, mainly because we're not used to riding on them. They're not readily available in the United States. Again, this is just the beginning of our testing with the 2018 Gas Gas. We look forward to putting lots more trail miles on it and trying new setups. So for the complete test, check out the August issue of Dirtbike magazine. And as always, go to dirtbikemagazine.com for the latest off-road industry news.